Naya bingy drum, one drop, one love. Hear the breeze through the blue mountains, hear the river call me name. Every heartbeat tell a story, every sunrise bring you mercy. Yeah. Morning mist kiss bamboo tree, sunrise shine palm valley green. Little sparrows start to sing, wake the earth with joyful hymn. Red clear road beneath me feet, carry every reggae beat. Every footprint leave a sign, hope and faith walk side by side. Cool breeze dance through banana leaves, whisper songs upon the breeze. River sparkle bright and clear, wash away yesterday's fear. Old fisherman mend him net, smile the ocean rough him get. Faith no sink beneath the wave, strong enough to keep him brave. Farmer whistle in the field, blowing patient hearts will heal. Every seed beneath the rain, rise and bloom again, again. Children run through grassy lane, splashing barefoot after rain. Every laugh a priceless sound, sweetest treasure ever found. Hey. If the wind blow hard today, stand firm, never drift away. Every mountain face the storm, still the roots stay safe and warm. Heartbeat of the hills beat on, carry we from dusk till dawn. Like the river to the sea, flowing love and harmony. Hey, heartbeat of the hills so strong, guide we with the ancient song. Raise your voice and beat the drum, better days are yet to come. Evening spread a purple glow, fireflies begin to show. Moonlight rest from quiet bay, lead the sailors on them way. Palm trees sway with gentle pride, moving with the changing tide. Thunder call beyond the play, soon replaced by cooling rain. Rainbow stretch from ridge to shore, promise life can offer more. Nature right with silent hand, lessons every soul understand. Me no chase no crown or fame, me protect me family name. Gold can fade and silver rose, truth remain because it must. Every promise that me keep, grow like roots both strong and deep. Every helping hand me lend, turn a stranger to a friend. Scars become a living guide, never something fi go hide. Every challenge shape me soul, every sunrise make me whole. If you never lose him smile, walk beside him every mile. Share your harvest, share your bread, lift the weary head. One kind action every day can chase heavy clouds away. Every seed of love you sow into mighty forests grow. Bassline rumble deep and low, like the mighty rivers flow. Drummer strike with steady fire, lift each spirit higher, higher. Guitar sing with soulful cry, lift each dream toward the sky. Voices blend beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. One fire blazing through the night, faces glowing warm and bright. Every chorus shake the air, spread good feeling everywhere. When me footsteps fade away, hope me song still find its way. Not true riches left behind, but true peace inside each mind. Plant a tree beside the stream, shade another person's dream. Leave the children the songs to sing, like the birds each hopeful spring. Life keep turning like the wheels, love remain the strongest seal. Heartbeat echo far and wide, keeping hope forever alive. hear the breeze, hear the river, hear the trees. Hold the roots, hold the faith, hold the rhythm, hold the love. Heartbeat of the hills, forever beating, forever singing, forever free. Slowly now, hear the waves kiss the shoreline. Hear the drum call from the hills. Every sunrise bring a blessing. Every heartbeat carry hope, carry the light. Carry the light. Morning dew upon sugar cane, wash away the midnight rain. Golden sunlight flood the land, in tomorrow with joy. Bamboo sway in gentle breeze, birds tongue drift through mango trees. River sparkle crystal bright, leading every soul to light. Barefoot walk on gravel road, shoulder carry on its load. Every mile me travel far, guided by the morning star. Boatman greet the open sea, trusting where the tide will be. Though the wind may twist and turn, still in spirit brightly burn. Farmer wipe the sweating brow, giving thanks instead of vow. Every seed beneath the clay, dreaming of a greener day. Children laughing in the rain, turning puddles into gains. Simple joy, no money buy. Light the rainbow in the sky. When the clouds hide all the blue, hold the faith that carry you. Every night must fade away, making room for brighter day. Carry the light wherever you go, like the river always flow. Beat the drum and raise your song. Together we are always strong. Carry the light, don't let it fade. Stand beneath the tamarind shade. From the mountain to the sea, walk in love and liberty. Moonlight trim upon the bay, silver guide for end the day. Fireflies begin to glow, tiny stars down here below. Palm tree dancing with the breeze, whisper wisdom through the leaves. Thunder fade beyond the hill, leaving earth so calm and still. Stars ablaze across the night, everyone a guiding light. Nature speak without a sound, hope is everywhere around. Ooh, yeah. Me no chase no house of gold, not for riches bought and sold. True wealth living on his heart, that is where our blessings start. Every promise that me keep, grow like roots both wide and deep. Every helping hand me lend, turn a stranger to a friend. Every scar remind me plain, sunshine always follow rain. Every lesson shape me soul, bring me closer to me goal. When your neighbor lose him way, walk beside him every day. Share your water, share your bread, lift the weary head. One kind word can heal the pain, like cool showers after rain. Every act of love you show, help tomorrow's garden grow. Bassline roll like ocean tide, move every heartbeat side by side. Drummers play with steady flame, every rhythm call me name. Guitar sing with mellow sound, lift the weary from the ground. Voices blend in harmony, echo across the shining sea. Bonfire blaze till break of day, dance the heavy thoughts away. Every chorus fill the air, spread good feeling everywhere. When me journey reach its end, hope me still be called a friend. Not because I will talk fame, but because me share love's flame. Plant a tree beside the road, shade another traveler's load. Leave a melody behind, one that comfort every mind. As the rivers meet the sea, so we live in unity. Generation Hear the drum roll through the valley, hear the wind upon the sea. Every sunrise carry a promise, every heartbeat carry a dream. Forward, always forward. First light break on Eastern Hill, morning air so calm and still. River wake with silver shine, moving steady, keeping time. Footprints mark the dusty trail, every journey tell a tale. Hands grow rough from honest days, still them lifting songs of praise. Coconut trees sway so slow, teaching patience as them grow. Every leaf that catch the breeze dance with quiet dignity. Boatman push from quiet shore, searching for a little more. Waves may rise and winds may change, still in spirit never strange. Farmer wipe the sweat away, smile beneath the burning day. Every seed beneath the ground wait for life without a sound. Market voices fill the square, music floating through the air. Neighbors greet with open hand, building hope across the land. Oh, no matter where the road may lead, walk with truth, reject all greed. Stand like cedar in the rain, growing stronger through the strain. Beyond the horizon, me still believe more than what the eyes perceive. When the night hide every star, hope remind me who we are. Beyond the horizon, hear the call, stand back up each time you fall. Like the river meet the sea, freedom flow eternally. Moonlight rests on restless sky, ancient stories never hide. Stars like lanterns softly glow, lighting paths we need to know. Thunder speak across the sky, still the eagle learn to fly. Rain revive the thirsty plain, life begin to bloom again. Every rainbow stretch so wide, color every mountainside. Nature whisper day by day, never throw your hope away. Me no count me worth by gold, now by riches bought and sold. Me count every hand me raise, every soul me help through this. Every promise that me keep, grow like roots both wide and deep. Every truth me choose to say, light another traveler's way. Scars become the living song, proof that healing make you strong. Even pain can plant a seed, growing into hope indeed. If your brother lose him road, help him carry half the load. If your sister lose her smile, walk beside her every mile. Every candle that you light, push away another night. Love no lesson when it's shared, it grows stronger cause you care. Baseline roll like distant storm, rock the people safe and warm. Drummers beat with steady pace, echo through the gathering place. Guitar sing with soulful tone, tell we no one stand alone. Voices rise in harmony like one great community. Bonfire blaze till morning near, melt away the doubt and fear. Every chorus fill the skies, hope reflected in we eyes. When me journey reach the end, may me still be called a friend. Not because of things me own, but because of love me show. a day. Who keep moving?
We keep moving.
Who keep singing?
We keep singing.
Who keep hoping?
We keep hoping.
Who give thanks all the way beyond the horizon? We still believe more than what the eyes perceive. Star may come and oceans rise. Still we live with hearts and eyes beyond the horizon. Side by side, truth and courage be we guide. From the valleys to the sea, we walk on in unity. The dawn will come, the drum will sound, the river will flow, the roots will grow. Step by step, song by song, heart to heart. Beyond the horizon, the journey continues. The spirit endures forever. Hear the wind,
Hear the drum.
hear the voices from the hills.
Night fade away.
Morning come again, Jah wind blow, carry we onward. Hey, Jah wind blow. Jah wind blow through the valley low, carry every seed that grow. Morning sun kiss the mountain face, wake the earth with quiet grace. Footprints fresh on dusty lane, wash clean by the evening rain. Every step me ever take, teach me what no book can make. Rooster crow before the dawn, another day slowly born. River home a steady rhyme, never racing against time. Farmer turn the weight inside, bless each drop of honest style. Sugar cane sway left and right, silver dew in morning light. Fish adrift on open sea, trusting where the tide will be. Simple boat and weathered sail, faith alone can never fail. Market buzz with vices bright, smiles begin before daylight. Every greeting warm and true, neighbor know what love can do. Hey. When the clouds cover the sun, still remember morning come. When the road seem long and steep, hold the promise in your keep. Hey. Jah wind blow, carry me soul, guide me till me reach me goal. Through the fire, through the rain, hope will blossom once again. Jah wind blow, loud and free, like the waves upon the sea. No matter where the journey go, still me follow. Jah wind blow, moonlight paint the ocean blue, stars reveal a clearer view. Palm tree bend but never break, strong enough for every shake. Thunder roll across the sky, still the eagle choose to fly. River smooth the jagged stone, gentle strength can stand alone. Every flower after rain, bloom despite forgotten pain. Nature teach without a sound, life's true riches all around. Hey, when me know in the fancy throne, peace of mind may call me own. Gold may glitter for a while, truth out if the richest pile. Every promise that me keep, grow like roots both wide and deep. Every helping and me lend, bring another heart to mend. Stars become me testimony, showing life for no ceremony. Stand up right through joy and pain, never wear a mask again. Yeah. If your brother losing weight, I'll beside him every day. If your sister shed a tear, if beside her calm her fear. Share the office, share the bread, lift the weary, weary head. Every candle you ignite, multiply another light. Oh yeah. vibrations fill the air. Nyabingi drum beat slow, like the river's endless flow. Guitar answer sweet and clear, wash away the doubt and fear. Voices rise in harmony, echo through the coconut tree. Bonfire blaze till break of dawn, music keep the spirit warm. Every chorus touch the sky, lift every heart a little high. When my journey reach the end, may me still be called a friend. Not for riches left behind, but for peace me leave in mind. Plant a tree though years may pass, hope will grow through every grass. Leave a song upon the breeze, floating softly through the trees. Well, another walk this way, may them find a brighter day. Every footstep, every smile, make the journey worth the while. Who hear the wind? We hear the wind. Who beat the drum? We beat the drum. We beat the drum. Who keep the faith? We keep the faith. Who move forward? All are we. Shall wind blow, carry me so, guide me till me reach me goal. Storm me roar and rivers rise, still keep up before me eyes. Shall wind blow, wild and free, strong as roots of every tree. From the mountain to the shore, we keep singing evermore. Hear the wind, hear the drum, hear the children laugh again. Morning rise, night will fade, hope remain. Shall wind blow, the river flow, the roots grow forever and ever. Drummer beat, bassline roll. Hear the wind through the hills, hear the river call. One heartbeat, one destiny. Roots run deep, yeah, yeah. Before the sun touch mountain top, the whole wide world stands still. Morning mist hug every field, like a promised time revealed. Bare feet mark the red earth road, shoulders bear a humble load. Every step a lesson right, leading from the dark to light. River whisper to the stone, strength grow best when quietly grown. Tree roots hold though star may blow, teaching all me need to know. Hey! Rooster crow from little yard, life may rough but heart stay hard. Mama stir the morning stew, giving thanks for every new. Papa sharpen farming blade, working long before the shade. Children laugh, choose sugar cane, turning puddles into games. Old man carve a piece of wood, saying patience bring the good. Every wrinkle on him face tell a story full of grace. Hey, hey. If the clouds hide all the blue, still let hope keep guiding you. Night know have the final word, morning song soon will be heard. Roots run deep beneath the ground, silent strength, no need no crown. Star may shake the tallest tree, still we stand in dignity. Roots run deep, forever grow, like the mighty rivers flow. Hearts stay firm, spirit free, that's how the way life should be. Fishing boat ride morning tide, ocean always be him guide. Every wave a different test, still him trust and do him best. Market wake with joyful sound, friendly greetings across the line. Evening paint the western sky. Golden birds go sailing by. Smoke rise from the cooking fire. Carry every heart's desire. Moonlight silver upon the bay. Wash the tired thoughts away. Stars like lanterns softly shine. Keeping watch through passing time. Palm tree bend but never break. Show me every step we take. River smooth, rugged stone. Gentle power, all its own. Thunder roll, then drift away. Making room for brighter day. Rainbow stretch from hill to sea. Painting hope for all to see. Share your harvest,
Share a smile.
walk beside the eco wild. One kind word can calm the storm. One warm heart can keep you warm. Plant a seed, though years may pass. Life grows strong through every grass. Every blessing that you give, teach another soulfully. Bassline shake the village square. Lift good vibration through the air. Drummers play with steady hand. Heartbeat echo through the land. Guitar sing with mellow tone. Till we no one stand alone. Voices blend like evening breeze. Flowing through the mango trees. Bonfire like the smiling face. Music fill the empty space. Every chorus rise again. Healing hidden hurt and pain. Me no chase no crown of gold. No fear riches bought and sold. Me just want when day is done. Know me life help someone. Leave behind a simple song. One that people sing along. Leave behind a peaceful way. Bright enough to guide the day. When the final sunset fall, hope me answer love's own call. Like the river meet the sea, me soul rest in harmony. Who keep the roots, we keep the roots. Who keep the fire, who keep the fire. Who beat the drum, who we beat the drum. Who stand together, all are we. Roots run deep beneath the ground. Silent strength, no need no crown. Star may shake the tallest tree. Still we stand in dignity. Roots run deep, forever grow. Like the mighty rivers flow. From the mountain to the sea, we sing in harmony. Drums still beat, river still flow, morning still rise, hope still grow. Keep the rhythm, keep the vision, keep the roots alive. Roots run deep, fire burn bright, the journey never ends. Hear the wind, hear the drum. Hear the voices from the hills, night fade away. Morning come again, Jah wind blow, carry we onward. Jah wind blow through the valley low, carry every seed that grow. Morning sun kiss the mountain face, wake the earth with quiet grace. Footprints fresh pon dusty lane, washed clean by the evening rain. Every step me ever take, teach me what no book can make. Rooster crow before the dawn, another day is slowly born. River home a steady rhyme, never racing against time. Yeah. Farmer turn the weight inside, Bless each drop of honest style. Sugar cane sway left and right. Silver dew in morning light. Fish adrift on open sea, trusting where the tide will be. Simple boat and weathered sail, faith alone can never fail. Market buzz with voices bright, smiles begin before daylight. Every greeting warm and true, neighbor know what love can do. When the clouds cover the sun, still remember morning come. When the road seems long and steep, hold the promise in your keep. Jah wind blow, carry me soul, guide me till me reach me goal. Through the fire, through the rain, hope will blossom once again. Jah wind blow, loud and free, like the waves upon the sea. No matter where the journey go, still me follow Jah wind blow. Moonlight paint the ocean blue, stars reveal a clearer view. Palm tree bend but never break, strong enough for every shake. Thunder roll across the sky, still the eagle choose to fly. River smooth the jagged stone, gentle strength can't stand alone. Every flower after rain bloom despite forgotten pain. Nature teach without a sound, life's true riches all around. Me no envy fancy throne, peace of mind me call me own. Gold may glitter for a while, truth outlive the richest pile. Every promise that me keep grow like roots both wide and deep. Every helping on me lend bring another heart to mend. Scars become me testimony, showing life, oh no ceremony. Stand up bright through joy and pain, never wear a mask again. If your brother losing weight, walk beside him every day. If your sister shed a tear, stay beside her, calm her fear. Share the harvest, share the bread, lift the weary head. Every candle you ignite, multiply another light. Baseline shake the village square, good vibrations fill the air. Naya bingy drum beat slow, like the river's endless flow. Guitar answer, sweet and clear, wash away the doubt and fear. Voices rise in harmony, echo through the coconut tree. Bonfire blaze till break of dawn, music keep the spirit warm. Every chorus touch the sky, lift every heart a little high. When the journey reach the end, may me still be called a friend. Not for riches left behind, but for peace me leave in mind. Plant a tree though years may pass, hope will grow through every grass. Leave a song upon the breeze, floating softly through the trees. Yeah. When another walk this way, may them find a brighter day. Every footstep Hear the drum, hear the children laugh again. Morning rise, night will fade, hope remains. Jah wind blow, the river flow, the roots grow forever and ever. Hey. Let the breeze carry the melody. Let every heartbeat find the rhythm. One people, one hope, one future. Morning sun climb over the green hillside. Golden light spread far and wide. Birds them greet the breaking day, singing sweet in a them own sweet way. River sparkle under open sky. Clouds drift slow and easy by. Every breath feel fresh and new. Every dream start pushing through. Mama smile with a thankful prayer. Love and kindness fill the air. Papa says stand firm and true. No one else can walk for you. Every lesson shape the soul, every challenge build the wall. Even when the road gets steep, faith is ours, we always keep. Never let the darkness stay. Hope will always find a way. Lift another when them fall. Love is strong enough for all. Tomorrow still shine after every rain. Joy will bloom again and again. Lift your head and face the day. Don't let hope fade away. Hands together, hearts as one. Keep believing till the race is done. From the rivers to the sea so wide. Love forever, be we guide. Don't delay the children play, turning ordinary into holiday. Dreaming big with fearless eyes, watching birds fly through the skies. Teacher right upon the board, giving knowledge as reward. Every page and every line, help tomorrow brightly shine. Farmer work from dawn till night, trusting seasons will be right. Seeds them planted deep below, patient hearts watch blessings grow. Fish are sail before sunrise, guided by the open skies. Every wave a faithful friend, leading safely home again. Music echo through the square, happy voices everywhere. Guitar, strum and drum beat roll, healing everywhere we soul. Feet keep moving to the sound, smiles and laughter all around. Every chorus rise above, filled with peace and filled with love. No matter where your journey start, carry goodness in your heart. Riches fade like morning dew, character stay strong and true. Share your bread, share your song, help somebody else along. One small spark of honesty can become a mighty tree. Stars appear when daylight ends, like 1,000 faithful friends. Moonlight kiss the quiet sea, bringing calm and harmony. Wind remind me every night, darkness cannot stop the light. Every sunrise groove again, joy can rise through every pain. Walk with courage, walk with grace, leave compassion every place. Forgive quickly, love sincerely, hold your purpose strong and clearly. Every heartbeat, write a page for another waiting age. Grandma tell the stories old, worth much more than silver gold. Every word a guiding flame, teaching love instead of blame. Generation
dreams still fly. Keep compassion as you guide. Walk with truth and humble pride. One heart beating, strong and free, like the endless rolling sea. Through the sunshine, through the storm, hope will always keep you warm. Generation after generation sing, love is still the greatest thing. Tomorrow still shine, bright and true, waiting there for me and you. Yeah, yeah. Keep the fire burning, keep the hope alive. Tomorrow still shine, forever and ever.
Hear the thunder in the distance, hear the breeze through the cave. Hear the heartbeat of creation. Slow down, listen close. The earth still sings. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, before the rooster greet the dawn, stars still guard the world till morn. We stroll down the mountainside, like old stories time can't hide. River carved the ancient stone, patience work all on its own. Every current know its place, moving with a steady grace. Morning sun climbs slow and bright, melt away the cloak of night. Every leaf catch drops of gold, more than words could ever hold. Fish a push him little boat, trusting every wave afloat. Saltfish kiss him weathered face, till he move with quiet grace. Farmers sowing fertile ground, hope where little seeds are found. Every season have its turn, every art have more to learn. Village road come alive fast, old and young walk by at last. Laughter echo through the square, music floating everywhere. If the skyline disappear, never feed your heart to fear. Clouds may hide the morning glow, still the sunrise find its flow. The earth still sing, can you hear? Through the joy and through the tear, beat the drum and lift your voice. Hope is always still a choice. The earth still sing loud and free. From the hills unto the sea, hold the rhythm, hold it long. Life itself become the song. Evening wrap the fields in gold, cooling earth both young and old. Fireflies begin them dance, giving darkness one more chance. Moonlight spread upon the bay, silver guide till break of day. Palm tree bow but never break, strong enough for every shake. Night birds sing from hidden tree, calling true tranquility. Every echo gently say, never throw your dreams away. Me no measure life by fame, no but people know me name. Measure life by love me give, by the way me choose to live. Every promise that me keep, grow like roots but wide and deep. Every helping hand me raise, brighten up another day. If me fall, me stand once more, wiser than me was before. Every scar become a guide, showing strength lives deep inside. Build a bridge where it once stand, reach across with open hand. Share your water, share your meal, help another heart feel. One small smile can start a flame, nothing ever stay the same. Seeds of kindness softly sown, grow to forest fully grown. Baseline roll like distant rain, wash away the weight of pain. Drums beat with ancient fire, lift each spirit higher, higher. Guitar answer warm and sweet, moving every tired feet. Voices blend beneath the sky, like the seabirds soaring high. One fire glow till morning near, burn away the doubt and fear. Every chorus cross day me leave a little light. Not a palace built of stone, but I love the people, oh. Plant a cedar by the stream, shade another person's tree. Leave a melody behind, one that ease a troubled mind. The rivers reach the sea, so we grow in unity. Generation after generation, carry on the celebration. Who hear the earth, we hear the earth. Who beat the drum, we beat the drum. Who carry up, we carry up. Who rise together, everyone are we. Who yeah, yeah, who yeah, yeah, who yeah. The earth still sing, can you hear? Stronger every passing year. Storm may roar and rivers climb. Love out life, both fear and time. The earth still sing, wild and free. Echo from the hill to sea. One heart, one drum, one song. Together we keep moving on. Hear the wind, hear the waves. Hear the children laugh again. Keep the roots, keep the fire. Keep believing. The earth still sings. The rhythm still live. One love forever. One drum, one heartbeat. The river keep flowing, the breeze keeps singing. Rise up, give thanks, a new day begin. Sweet river morning greet my face, fill the soul with quiet grace. Golden sunlight touch the sea, open up a brand new dream. Tiny birds upon the wire, wake the earth with joyful choir. Morning dew on bamboo leaf, wash away the weight of grief. Barefoot walking down the lane, smell the earth after the rain. Every footprint tell me plain, life is stronger than the pain. Farmers sing while turning ground, hope grow where no fear is found. Every seed beneath me clay, trust tomorrow and today. Fish a sail before first light, guided by the stars so bright. Ocean whisper soft and slow, teaching where the brave ones go. Children laughing in the yard, finding joy though life is hard. Simple moments pure and true, paint the world with brighter hue. If the clouds cover the sun, remember dawn will always come. Stand like cedar through the storm, keep your spirit safe and warm. Sweet river morning, carry me home, wherever in this world me roam. Beat the drum and raise your voice, hope is always still a choice. Sweet river morning, clear and free, flow like love into the sea. Hand in hand and soul to soul, music make the broken whole. Evening paint the western sky, watch the seabirds gently fly. Moonlight shimmer upon the bay, guide the traveler on him way. Palm leaves dancing with the breeze, moving slow through ancient trees. Thunder rumble far away, still me heart no lose its way. Rainbow stretch from hill to shore, promise brighter days in store. Nature right without a pen, truth return again and again. Me no seek control of gold, now for riches bought and sold. Peace inside is wealth enough, even when the road get rough.
learning wisdom through it all. Every scar become a sign, showing healing take its time. Even before them ask, love no fear of heavy task. Share your burden and share your song. Help the weak become the strong. One kind word can change a day. Chase the darkest clouds away. Every heart that choose to care, plant a garden everywhere. Bassline rolling deep and slow, like the mighty rivers flow. Drummers keep the heartbeat strong, calling everyone along. Guitar crying soft and sweet, moving every tired feet. Voices rise beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Bonfire glow until daylight, fill the darkness with its light. Every chorus lift the sky, carry dreams forever high. Years will pass like drifting tide. Keep compassion by your side. Leave behind a peaceful day, not remember just for fame. Plant a tree for future days, shade another traveler's way. Leave a melody behind, one that comforts every mind. When the sunset close me eyes, may my spirit still arise. Like the river meet the sea, love remain eternally. Who keep the rhythm? We keep the rhythm. Who keep the faith? We keep the faith. Who keep the love? We keep the love. Who keep moving? All are we. Sweet river morning, carry me home, but forever in this world me roam. Beat the drum and raise your voice. Hope is always still a choice. Sweet, sweet river morning, wild and free, flow forever to the sea. From the mountain to the sand, oh, one love echo through the land. Yeah. Hear the river, hear the river, hear the breeze, hear the breeze, hear the heartbeat of the land. Keep the fire, keep the fire, keep the song, keep the faith. Sweet river morning, forever flowing, forever growing, forever strong.
Hear the tide rolling, hear the conga drum, feel the breeze upon your face. The journey continue, one heart, one rhythm, one love. Hey! Oh, yeah. Where the ocean meet the sky, morning eagle learn to fly. Golden sunlight kiss the bay, welcoming a brand new day. Salt breeze sweep the coconut tree, carry ancient melody. Footprints mark the shining sand, stories right by honest hands. River leave the mountain high, never ask the reason why. Flowing steady, calm and slow, showing every soul to grow. Fishing boat leave quiet shore, searching waters evermore. Weather change but spirit strong, ocean singing endless song. Farmer wipe the brow at noon, whistle soft a gentle tune. Every seed beneath the earth, waiting for another birth. Village children run and play, turn the dust to holiday. Simple laughter fill the air, sunshine shining everywhere. When the darkness hide the light, keep your vision shining bright. Every star must fade away. Morning always find the day. Where the ocean meet the sky. Lift your dreams and let them fly. Hold the rhythm, hold the flame. Life will never stay the same. Where the ocean meet the sky. Oh, never let your spirit die. Oh, from the mountain to the sea, walk in peace and liberty. Evening paint the clouds with gold. Ancient stories still retold. Moonlight dance upon the wave. Comfort every strong and brave. Palm leaves whisper through the breeze, singing songs with quiet ease. Thunder rumble far away, soon replaced by brighter day. Stars like diamonds fill the night. Everyone a guiding light. Oh, nature teach without a word. Every lesson still be heard. Me no need no palace wall. Peace inside is worth it all. Gold may fade and silver rust. Love and truth outlive them most. Every promise that me keep grow like roots both wide and deep. Every hand me gladly hold, worth much more than bars of gold. If me stumble, me rise again, stronger through the loss and pain. Hope become me daily bread. Lift me spirit, raise me head. Share your shelter from the rain. Ease another person's pain. Give before you count the cost. Find the treasure never lost. One kind smile can change a day. Oh, turn the darkest clouds away. Oh, every blessing freely sown, bloom into a forest grown. Bassline rolling deep and wide, like the ever faithful tide. Drummers keep the heartbeat strong, calling every voice along. Guitar cried and softly smiled, heal the broken for a while. Voices rise in harmony, echo across the shining sea. Bonfire blaze till break of dawn, keep the ancient spirit warm. Every chorus fill the air, carry hope everywhere. Oh, when the final sunset fall, maybe answer love's own call. Leave behind no boastful name, only kindness not for fame. Plant a tree beside the stream, give the children shade and dream. Leave a melody behind, one that heal the troubled mind. Like the ocean kiss the shore, love return forevermore. Every sunrise, every sigh, meet where ocean meets the sky. Who hear the ocean? Who hear the ocean? Who beat the drum? We beat the drum. Who carry on? We carry on. Who walk together? All are we. Oh, all are we. All are we. Where the ocean meet the sky. Lift your dreams and let them fly. Storm may come, but we stand tall. Love will answer every call. Where the ocean meet the sky, songs will never truly die. From the valleys to the sea, we chant in unity. Hear the tide, hear the breeze, hear the drum, hear the trees. Walk with faith, walk with love, walk with courage. Where the ocean meet the sky, the music never fade. The roots grow deeper forever. The fire already burned. Rise, rise. Morning fire light the sky. Morning fire light the sky. Golden colors climbing high. Cool breeze sweep across the land. Life begin by Jah own hand. Boots pressed deep in red earth trail. hearts never choose to fail. Every footprint tell a tale of hope that always will prevail. Rivers sing beside the stone, teaching strength can stand alone. Mountains silent, proud and tall, watching over one and all. Fish are cast before first light, trusting down will make things right. Farmer lifting weathered face, give thanks for another grace. Market slowly come alive, dreams and laughter start to thrive. Children run through open field, joy no money ever yield. Old guitar begin to play, wash the heavy thoughts away. Every note a gentle prayer, floating softly through the air. No matter where the road may bend, faith will guide you to the end. Even when the clouds appear, keep your purpose crystal clear. Morning fire burns so bright, lead me through the darkest night. Keep the flame inside the soul, never let the darkness rule. Morning fire blaze again, wash away despair and pain. From the valley to the sea, carry hope and dignity. Evening shadows slowly fall, moonlight gently cover all. Stars awake one after one, waiting for another sun. Palm tree bend but never break, show me every path we take. River carved through ancient stone, quiet power its own. Thunder roar beyond the hill, soon the world grow calm and still. After rain the flowers bloom, life return with sweet perfume. We no measure wealth by gold, nor by stories lowly told. Honest hands and peaceful mind, greatest riches you can find. Every promise that me keep, grow like roots both strong and deep. Every truth me choose to speak, give the hopeless strength them see. Scars become history, never rob me dignity. Every lesson shape the way, guide me through another day. Share your water, share your bread, lift the lonely weary head. Stand beside the ones in need, love is our strongest seed. One small candle in the night can become 1,000 lights. Every kindness freely shown, bloom into a forest grown. Baseline roll like ocean wave, wake the humble and the brave. Drummers beat with steady hands, echo far across the land. Voices blend in harmony, like one great family. Bonfire glow till break of day, dance the heavy thoughts away. Music lift the oldest pain, bring the sunshine after rain. Every chorus rise and soar, open every hopeful door. When me hair turns silver gray, still me sing this song each day. Hope no land, love no tire, keep alive the morning fire. Leave behind no palace war, leave a song remembered by all. Plant good seeds where children play, help tomorrow find its way. Who keep the fire? We keep the fire.